house. Alright, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clean this tower. We'll clean them. We'll close off everything, fill it up, and then we'll get it going. It's time to start it up. We're going in reverse. Yeah. All right, let's close off. Let's close off all the valves that we opened. So we're gonna close off all the valves. Good old pumps. This is the coolant tower pumps. These guys, I don't know how many horsepower this is. 40. It's a 40 horsepower. Oh shit, look, Martin. That's the roofer guys that were using this. So this whole line needs to be changed. I have 1-inch pipe, we can fix it. How much more is busted? Alright, so we gotta make this repair first. Take a look, guys. The damn thing busted. Another one here. You see that? Look at that shit, bro. Yeah. That's because the roofers, they were using it. We shut it down, but the roofers were still using it. Yeah, is there... And open the other one. Okay. Alright, so he opened the other side. We're just gonna make sure it's clean. Might have to pull the nozzles out, clean the nozzles. Just the spray nozzles on top. Guys, that's inside the tower. Oh, we have to get the... You know what we need to do? Look at the strainer on the other side. We'll go inside and look at the strainer. We're gonna open up the front, check the belts. You see the strainer on the other side?
Right there in the middle.
Yeah, we gotta check the strainer. But hold.
My dad gave me a nice ass flashlight.
Do you have it on you?
It's I have it in my bag in the thing.
Okay.
See if the man works.
No, it was Richie.
No, remember?
Snow time.
You dreamed that?
Sure. Oh, then Richie came. Look at all this stuff that came out of the pump last year before shutdown. Hold that. I can go down and get my impact, my new impact. If I get my impact, no one's gonna open this shit up.
It's like that?
Yeah. Okay, get the other one. Okay, get the other one. Get this one. I think did we tie in it? I don't remember.
That one was loose, so probably not. Nah.
Yeah, we didn't. Okay. Right in the bottom there. Yeah, that one's loose. Okay.
Where can we get a piece of 4-inch pipe from?
It's 4-inch? 4-inch black pipe?
Yeah.
4-inch?
That's what my dad said, but I know we're gonna have to look.
We can get 4-inch pipe. Plumbing store, Bruce Supply.
In Brooklyn?
Yeah, Bruce. I can get 4-inch pipe. If it's 4-inch pipe, we gotta charge him way more than how long of a piece is the job?
I think it's like a fucking not even 5 foot.
Not even 5 foot?
They won't sweat it. They won't give a fuck. I haven't charged him for nothing yet, bro. So.
We gotta get at least $500, man. Okay, so let me get one of these suckers.
I wonder if we're gonna have to.
We'll get the pipe, we'll get some unions, we'll cut it, we'll put it and put a union in the middle. Yo, you know what, man? I'm not gonna take, I'll take this, hold up. I'll take this, we'll take this. Clean these up here now. Hey, you know what, here. Sandpaper, where are you? Sing it, Julio.
Necesito un poquito de grasa y otra cosita y arriba,
Oh, shit. Oh, man, Julio's a trip. I had to say that you're not on my mind. Let me get that off. Call to get an approval to fix this, but I already cut it. So I'll just leave it like this. If they say no, I'll just take off the couplings and call it a day on this one. But in the meantime, they're gonna probably say yes anyway on that little line. 108. All right, my buddy Martin. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll take care of it. Don't worry. This guy is so freaking annoying, bro. Jesus Christ. He don't shut the hell up. Yo, this is in all the way, right? Yeah. Okay. Leave it like this. I know they're going to say yes because they need the water for the tower, so... And then we have to cut out, we have to unsweat that valve. So we're gonna clean this tower, we're gonna have Martin clean it. It's not too bad. You got your flashlight, Martin? I don't know why this thing doesn't have enough pressure, but... I don't know why this thing doesn't have enough pressure. Just wash it down, put it down the drain. I'm gonna open up the drain for you, okay? Don't hit your head. So the big boss is over there. And I got an approval to go ahead and replace. What I do is I heat the middle of the fitting. If I was to do the elbow, I would heat it right here. Check it. crack there. Wasn't even soldered all the way. Look at that. Mama said to knock you out. You alright? Yo, look at this, not even, oh, this one's good. I gotta clean this up. Oh, the rag is right there. Let me clean this sucker up. Ah. Oh, shit. About to bust my ass, boy. And get yourself a new OEM part, as it is required by Evapco. You gotta push it in. Don't go like this. I see people going like that all the time. See, I'm just gonna, like you're poking something. Like that. Because it sucks it in. These belts they're tight, but damn, look at this flywheel, bro. Oops. Grab that. Just lay it there. This pulley's in bad shape, bro. The pulley and the flywheel. These belts are gonna rip. John Cummings left, right? Look how rusted this shit is. They should make this in like stainless steel or brass or something. I don't know. Look, that's bad, bro. Once a year you grease it up, and you don't want to see a lot of grease coming out of the bearings, because that's what kind of screws up the bearings. The more grease, the worse it gets. Well, let me go in here and take a look in here. Nothing there. I got another bearing right on this side. And it's dark, you cannot see me, but so I opened the water valve, everything is good, holding. Now the problem I'm having here is I don't have any makeup, no makeup water. You know, it's just a 1-inch pipe coming from the 15th floor with no type of pressure whatsoever, and this towers, the cooling towers, have a problem making up water. So what we did last summer is we just left the hose in there, just filling constantly, because the damn thing was evaporating so fast and not filling as quick. So we gave them a drawing, what needs to be done as far as putting in a pressure tank and a pump for the for the closed loop and the open loop, and just screwed up. So now these trying to fill this tower, it's going real slow. I might have to just throw the hose in there. You see how slow it's going. This is how I fill this damn thing. Because nobody decides to grease the pump and always clean the grease zerks, because you don't want to get any dust or anything inside there. Screw up the bearing. Alright guys, now it's coming down, water coming down. See it? It's a shame that I have to fill this way, but I have no choice. You know, they don't have any makeup. No type of makeup. No feed, nothing. And I only have 1-inch pipe that comes up from the 15th floor. About 3 floors below this roof, and it's just not enough. The water evaporates quicker than it makes up. That's the makeup line right there. Comes through the solenoid, and look at the amount of water you get out of that thing. You get nothing really. It's just insane. Okay, so this is coming from the tower. So take a look at here. 60 psi coming up from the tower. And take a look at that pump. That cavitating pump. I had to fill it manually. She was cavitating. And this water, she's pretty hot right now. Yo, Martin, the tower's on, bro.
It's on?
Yeah. Yo, what the hell's that?
What?
It's dust. Oh, it's from that? Oh, the smoke? Oh. I have it.
Yeah, yo.
Yo, Fiona called me. She goes, why do you have to be such a dick, hey, man? Yeah, I'm like, I'm just joking, relax. But, I don't care, it's the truth. We asked for filters and all this stuff. It's been 5 months. That's not the way things work out. Don't throw stones if you live in a glass house. Plain and simple. You know what I'm saying? This is the condenser loop. The closed loop. Gotta cut a gasket out for that. This is a filtration, chemical treatment. Oh, shit. Oh, Martin, I forgot the marker, bro. Coño carajo. Alright, don't worry about it. We'll make it work. Take a look there. We got running. And that's it. We're just gonna wait till it fills up and this right here is the fan cycling switch. And that's the solenoid that will open and close whenever it needs to make up. But unfortunately, like I said, we don't have a proper makeup system here with a pressure tank and a pump. It's just, you know, water coming up from downstairs, not enough water, and she doesn't make up as quick as she should. That's about it. We're gonna patch it up, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.